Hello, beautiful people. Now, good evening. Now, they hear me for this one. Now, they hear me. Oh my God. Good evening. How now they now? I greet everybody. Oh. Hello, everybody. Are you people hearing me from this side? Because for YouTube, they know they hear what they talk for that side. Is the network okay? May we just discuss. May we discuss. The network they okay. May we talk. Now what is zai nak babore? But mona tell me if not they hear me because when I dey YouTube they say they know they hear anything. If the network they okay for you. Yes, okay. Thank you. God bless you. My brothers and sisters, may we discuss. I be want me I use Bini or maybe I feel me some. I want to talk about good evening. I greet everybody. Now do well because I dey talk for the other side for YouTube. They know they hear, so I say me I just on this side. May we discuss about some of our women. May we discuss about some of our women. That's why it still be for now. May we discuss. May we just talk and sharp because I get where they go later. My brothers and sisters, some women dey. Some women they claim say they be married women. You understand? And they are really married though. Okay, the network is working. Okay, thank you. And they really married them just because of ilalobo, because of benefits. They not gonna be married woman again. Because of ilalobo, ego, they not gonna be married woman. Because if you see many women, they want become single mother, but they marry just because of ego, because of money. They no want stay with their husband again, which is very bad. And this thing, some women no know say they disturb. You now see this thing where I fell right for there. If you know say you marry, really say na marry, now you marry. Okay, not be everybody hear Bini. Okay, no problem. Me they use that like this, no problem. I know say some people they know they hear Bini. No say sometimes I like to they speak my language. So if I dey SAS, I know they speak my language. So no problem. I'll use pidgin. So women dey because of money. Their husband go dey France. The woman, he go say I be single mother. I go dey there. Your husband go dey for Italy or Spain or for another place because of money. May I tell you, you woman wey dey do that thing, you know they eat all the time. Now understanding na any aragbonoji. You say you be you don't marry and you dey another place. Your husband dey another side. You will be woman wey not they eat every day. You know they change aging. You know they change oil for your aging. Una understand now? You know they change. I don't know say they damage you. They damage because of ego. If you say na lie, just go meet doctor. Ask am this question. Say woman wey stay and you say you marry your husband dey for so place and you dey for the other side. You with am, una no dey eat together. You understand wetin I mean? Some women no know say they damage. Some women they no know say they damage. Then they damage yourself because of ego. Get because of say okay, you know wetin I want go that side, you dey this side. But now only phone. Now una dey talk. Only phone. Now una dey discuss. That one na marriage? No, that one not be marriage. And they talk of about the one way marry not be the one way say that they do boyfriend and girlfriend or where they do what they call stay together. No, I'm not talking about that one. I'm not talking about, I'm not dey talk about that one. Those one where they really marry because of money, they separate themselves. They want sit down for this side. Now you will see some women. Me and you, for example, now some of them where they do a live video, if you watch them now, the one where their husband no dey house, watch them. May you see whether the one where their husband there, whether na something they do. No, because this thing, we don't dey, we be adults. I believe say small pikin no dey my page for there. We all will be adults. Man and woman wey no dey do that thing, egbegbe okan. Owe no ahia, egbe kan be na wekia. Na so be need to take dey make parable. You will see some of them now, they say they marry oh. Now make body dey pepper them because they change oil once a year. Woman wey dey change oil once a year with woman wey dey change all the time, no be the same thing. You understand? No be the same thing. Nobody, because of money, open eye, now make them they be like that, and then they damage themselves. Because you don't call yourself say you be married woman, you know if you could they follow another person. If you watch her now, those are our people. Some of them, where just they make when they kita no be okpaje. They'll do like a dog wey born one. Egbe kinya. Because they know they eat all the time. Woman where they take something, you know, use and take compare that woman where they take once a year. Why? Because of open eye. Now me they talking. If you know say you be married woman, since we say man, now be the head of the family, where the head go, let the body follow. Now me they talk and say, anywhere your husband go, you go follow and go. As far as say you don't say yes I do. I know they talk about the single one away, they feel go anywhere where they like. That one problem not that one. But when you don't call yourself say I'm a married woman, I beg, where the head go, let the body follow. Because if the head go any place, follow and go. Not because of say benefit, you sit down for one corner, say because of say the best thing, I'll just sit down for you. They do single mother. Maybe you don't did that side, I'll say we don't separate. If they're bad, you they damage yourself. If you say a lie, meet your doctor, explain to her and say, so because you know say your personal doctor now, everything that you go they tell her where they pass through. Everything where you they pass through, now you go they tell her. Because if you see say all these people, they get problem, but they don't know say they get problem. Woman, because you not be virgin gay. You understand? Woman will not be virgin. Now say still be for man. Now I make a man no fit stay. No man. If you talk say you be man, say I know I fit stay for 2 years. I know they meet any woman. Now be say, now lie. Now be say your thing not they work. Now be say the something you know they work. No man go fit stay. Say I stay for 2 years. I know no. There is something wrong. There is something wrong. No man fit stay. Now so it still be for woman. Because woman where they stay, where they go say, hey, I dey resistant. Problem not there. My husband not there. Pepe body. You go just know say this one. Or na change it or yeah. You know they change all year, which is very good because really we all are mature. Because I dey watch many things. I'll say, oh, see this one. There was someone say, I be married woman. Married woman where you just dey make Omagba, because there is something wrong. Umia many, you know that water not there where you take the fresh your body, where go they cool your brain. Now the truth of the matter, if you go meet doctor, I go still tell you. If you go meet doctor, he go tell you. Some women don't know all this thing where they talk. So some of them they don't know anything. They all they make say, and now some money, they go they run follow money. But inside your body, you they boil they go. Something you they damage yourself. Men are not just they think about money just. But when you are married, if your husband say, my wife, we want go so place, so now that side for see work, so may we go that side. Why you come tell and say, I know they go the best thing, I'll stay for here, they do single mother. You don't still come again. You don't still come again, Collins, you don't still come again. Which one you not believe blessing? I do not believe that. The one where you believe, no problem. But now me they come they tell you now, go meet doctor. You will go meet doctor, say, ah, now once a year, now me with my wife take the see body. You go tell you say, no, it not they good. Or who the woman where they see, where they meet, where they meet all the time. You know, use and take compare the one where not they meet all the time. The one where they meet all the time, brain they relax. My brothers and sisters, may I open up with you now because all these things, because we are all adults. When you dey nervous, you understand? When you dey nervous, all women are not the same, but she dey destroy her life. You want user can't tell me now, blessing, in the outside. You want user can't tell me now, say woman where e dey for 10 years, where no dey do that thing with woman where they do all the time at the same thing. It can never be. No man, waiting. It cannot. No man, e no dey. E no dey. Make we dey talk truth. If we dey talk truth, oh man, man go dey. You get wife. You go say you no dey do anything. Na madness. How you dey with your own wife? You go just dey there for 2 years. Na no dey do anything. There is something wrong now. You go say with your wife. I no dey talk about say boyfriend and girlfriend. I dey talk about husband and wife. Husband and wife, you go stay for 2 years. Say you with your wife na no, na so fight una go dey fight na. Na so quarrel all the time na go dey. Because e dey relax brain, more na go ask doctor. E dey relax. We no be small pikin again. Make we dey talk truth. Once you dey nervous, you want maybe something like that. When you go there, you go come relax your brain. The sleep where you go even sleep safe. Oh yeah, na me where you know, the kind sleep where you go sleep. The kind sleep where you go sleep like baby. Anytime when you dey nervous, you with your husband na jam. The sleep where you go sleep, you can't sleep like small pikin wey dem just newly born. You can't sleep like a small baby. So this thing, some of our women, because of money, because of say benefits, they don't leave their husband. Their husband don't go. Maybe their husband see work for so place because of say they give am benefits for year. Go say I know they go. Make carry while go. You go sit down. You go sit down. No, okay, 10 years is too much. Some women there now, you know, say some men there now, you go there abroad, you know, see document 10 years, the wife go there house. Now normal thing, that woman don't they destroy body they go. But the man go they enjoy. This thing, normally, if you not be virgin. If you not be virgin, it they affect. Person wey be virgin, that one dey normal thing. That one na normal thing, nothing dey affect am. That one dey normal thing because the person wey never know man before, wey never know woman, nothing dey do am. But if even get where he go reach, that virgin, no, he go dey. I don't know as I take tell you now. He go want me start something. He go want me start something. What of woman wey don dey do something? Okay, you leave your husband, but you come dey call yourself say I'm a married woman. You be married woman, you know dey cook for your husband. Me I first talk about our women wey their eye open go reach back. Our women, some of our women wey their eye open go reach back, they'll say they marry. You say you marry, you know they cook for your husband. You now only phone now for the talk because of money. Now only phone now for the talk, and you now get children. Now that one I come worse pass. Those children now, the love of their father, where e dey? Now inside phone there for the year. Once a year, now tell they see. That one a life, that one a marriage life. No. Especially those one wey don't born. And now you will be woman, now you now the children dey with. Now you now the children dey with. Because of say, if I come out, I'll come lose the money where then they pay. You stay for there. What about the love of the children to their father? What about that one? You not care about that one. You not care. You not care about that one. Your own now, your own because of said you don't even care. You don't even know say you even the damage yourself. You know if you say you be married woman. You know if you say you be married woman, you they see your husband once a year. Okay, you don't understand what I dey talk so. Because I dey talk about married person wey don't marry. Those one wey never married, this one not concerned them. They are single. No say for them. I even put the picture say when you are single, you are free. You fit do anything where you like. When you are married, it's supposed to say me una be together. If I dey hear some people say, I be married woman, oh, I be married woman, you go dey see and only she now you go dey see, am with the children, but you know they see your husband. Where your husband there? You go say your husband fine, he don't see work for so place. Why you not follow am? He go turn and go this side, turn and go the other side. My sister, where the head go, follow and go. When you say yes I do, maybe yes I do. Eh? Maybe yes I do. You need to dey change your oil all the time. It dey make person relax. You'll see some of our, they will say that some of our people when they do live video, I will just see some. I say okay, this one saying married, but the husband not there. Now make can they make bo. Because you know if you use and take compare the one where your husband dey for house with her. Because she know they relax. Hey, you know the I brain na fire. Oh, he brain na fire na so fire na full am. Relax. Now the truth of the matter. Now the truth of the matter, now the truth. It's still good. Make we still dey tell our people. Make they know this. Just they run follow money. Money. I want be single mother. My husband there for so place. Me there for Jerusalem. Now because of the money now they here. Not be only that one you want. Not be only that one. Because for now you they enjoy say you are okay. You know say when they change all year all the time. Problem go dey you go dey see small thing go dey come out. You go dey think say na normal thing, not be normal thing. If you go doctor, they will even tell you say, you know say sometimes if you go meet your doctor, if you explain to her something where they do you, it go come reach the place where go come ask you say you marry. You understand? It gets something where go happen when you go meet doctor. The doctor come they ask you questions say, are you married? Are you this? Are you that? How the because of wetin they come they see. Because person wey no dey change all year all the time, not be the same like the one where they change all the time. Person where they change all the time, they relax, their brain they calm. Their brain they calm. Those one wey no dey change all year all the time, mona go watch them. You will see them say pepper body. Not be their fault. Now because of say they no dey change the all year all the time. And I make I make them some single mother they disgrace themselves. Not be their fault because they don't run follow money. They not come sit down make them think about say and they run follow money. But another thing still there. Oh. How you say you be married woman, you with your husband they see once a year. That one a marriage. No, you are a single mother. You not be married. You not be married woman. That's what it still be for man. Now because you know why they talk and say single mother because now our women now they use because you know say if government want pay now women now they pay because now women now they hold the children. They know they give the man because they will say make the man go find work. Since now woman now some of our women all of them wetin be their I don't know wetin be their problem. Just they run follow money. You know they think about yourself. You dey even they damage yourself. You don't know but you the thing say you they do. Oh yeah, they pass on yeah. I be now that one now. If I say oh yeah now, you know what see I mean. Oh yeah, they pass oh yeah. If they make person relax, if they make you calm, you know they make I don't know as I talk. If you meet doctor, they will tell you. If you go tell doctor say see what they do you. If you just explain to them, say you go sometimes if you go meet doctor, he go tell you say make they do the thing. He go even tell you. He go tell you. Not be lie. But some of our people, they know they think about that one. Their problem, hey, ask government, next month, they will put money for my account. Okay, me I just do, me I go burn one journal, I'll still come back. Now that one, I be the waiting that they think. Now only that one, then they think. As you they do that one now, if your husband see another person, I carry for the other side, you come they cry, say your husband don't leave you. It they happen. They happen. It dey happen, eh? So some of our women more na allow, more na beg. I dey beg una. More na know anywhere where your husband go, try to go there. If na something cause am, but try to resolve the something quick. Make you follow your husband, especially say if you don still get pikin. Your pikin no fit just dey stay with you 24 hours, January to December, only you na dey stay with. You no even dey stay with your papa. You dey, that's the love. You even dey cut the love dey comot. You know, not because your pikin no fit just dey there na only with phone na go dey hear for your papa. How are you, daddy? I'm okay today. No be only that one. Una still dey think another thing. Many things join wey join una together. Many things dey wey join una together. Because some people they no even care. Maybe for Easter, now you go see your husband. Now then, now your children go still see their papa. Then maybe December, now go still go. No, try to relocate. If your husband they work for that side, try to go there. If you no want go stay there, pata say you want job, at least try to say like school. If maybe school now, then go school on Friday. That on Friday evening, you even fit travel. Go. They go all the time. Not be the one where you just sit down. January to December. Now only once a year. Now your children till they see your husband. Now you even till they see your husband. It's very bad. Because now Europe, yes, now because of now people wait there for Europe, because you know if you say your husband there for France, your husband there for France, you will be woman, you there for Germany. Me I just say Germany. Now true, now only there una for the talk. How now everything that one not be husband and wife. It be like so now they live single women, single mother life. Now they live like that. But you they claim say you marry because of money. Think about the children who are still born. Think about them. They still need their father. They still need their father. Maybe they get wetin they want tell and not be only to talk for phone. Now you can see some children now where they will come grow now their mother side now then they go pass because they not can understand their own father side again because of money. Our people know the reason. They know the thinker. You dey pursue money, they go pursue money, they go. It good make person still pursue money, but you still sit down think about other thing wey still dey the back. Not be only you one, and not be single. Say okay, you dey your own, I dey my own. Where especially where children come dey is very very bad. Because not be only you, your children na supposed to dey stay with. It's supposed to also stay with their own father. Make them they know make the father still know his character. Some of our women, I don't know what they do then. I make you just sit there. Before small thing, they'll just because they know they change the oil. They know they change am. If you ask her now, you go say, my husband there for so place. Your husband there for so place. What you they do for there? You know, let her tell you. Or you go come tell you, say, where your husband there, not like her. Now I make her just sit down for this side. My brothers and sisters, I no just want me take una time too much because I dey hear many things. If I dey sometimes my ear go full for this side, go they come out from that side. I'll say, okay, if you know say you not ready, you never ready so to say I want marry. No just say yes I do. Carry yourself, make person know say you be single, you be single person. Put yourself on there. Say, I marry, but my wife did the other side. Now once a year, I'll go see her on December, or I'll go see her the day we want to do a birthday. That one a marriage. That one not be married. No, they count yourself say you marry. No, they count yourself say I be married man. You not be married man because person way married you with your wife. They say, why did you not dey tired them? You know, say some of our people, now money, now be their problem. Na money, 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 money. They know they think about another thing. Money, 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 money. Now they think about this money. Not be saying that they work out because of say government they give them. Nah, you understand? Because government they give them, they'll just put their head. They'll just put their head for them. Because of say government go put this money for accounts. And if you like it, go. Wait till concern me. I don't even born self. You understand? Some women they do it like that. So if you like, you go. Say you see work for that. I know they follow you, they go. I stay here, better pass me. We even get 2 children self. Maybe by I don't know how much they pay them. More time every month they put money for my account. You know, these things now it be the problem where some of our women get. They know they think about the man. Some women know they think about the man, not concern them. Go say I don't born for myself. I not be say I want born again. And that kind of thing they destroy well. They destroy because man where they you know if it not make I don't know what I'll take talk. You not make some men they know as I take talk because men where they another place. Your wife no you no agree follow. You just say you go they wait for you for that side. You know, just dry is something they wait for you for that side. Don't when you say you don't want to follow and go. No, you must find something. You go see they change your oil now you know if you want to change your oil or not. Because you be married woman. Only once a year you say you want to go see your husband. You know they cook for her. You know nothing they do with her. What you come make una say una be husband and wife. Just because I say una say yes I do for paper. No, that one not make you a husband and wife. All that thing there for the down. We go make you say yes, una be husband and wife. You with your husband go they discuss many things. Una go to talk about una children. Una go they discuss, una go they do many things. Not be say only you want. And because of say the law for abroad now, they give women power. Our women can't use an SS. When the man go tell and say I see work for so place, he go say I may you they go. Now so go say may you they go. The children go there here with me. You go follow woman drag the children. No, because even though say you want follow and drag her, since you see work for another place, judge go tell you say the children must stay with the mother. But some women they know they use their brain. So okay, you see work for that side. Okay, may I see and whether as we go take on. At least if your husband fair go, may I just say maybe maybe the children they go school. When the children finish school, una fit go together. Now go there. Mona continue husband and wife together. You just see if you just see some people, too many, you just go say, I don't marry, but my husband there for so place. She there for this side with 2 children. It's that bad. So my brothers and sisters, no one may take on time too much because it no good. Women, woman need to they do something of what you supposed to do with your husband all the time. I not say every blessed day, but otherwise your brain now it go dey hot. Now so hot now it go dey hot. It go dey hot. Any small thing your brain go make parana. Any small thing wey no reach person to vex for, you go vex like say na another thing because you know they change your oil. It dey even dey cost am. Some people go say, nothing. I don't use that take born. No. It no matter. It no matter. Not be they not do am. Not be only to born. You understand? Not be only use that take born. So they enjoy yourself. So they make yourself they relax. All that blood where they high like say you want to eat person raw. It go they calm down. Some people know they don't know say that one still join. When they will leave their husband. That make them pepper body. Because if I dey watch some people now say, okay, this one, you say your husband not there with her, and make they do like that. If your husband there with you, it go calm you. Now medicine, no, will not be small pikin. No, now medicine. If you go meet doctor, they go still tell you the same thing. Because once you not be virgin, you supposed to continue what you they do. When you go stop her, it they affect you for many places. No. So my brothers and sisters, I don't still talk small thing today because some of our people they don't know all these things. All their own now to go to Germany, go sit down for them. go dey collect benefit na dem know. E go leave your husband for one corner. E go say wetin concern am, money 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 money. But if you get but some women no like am na. Some women no like am. They no get person wey no like am. Some women no like am. If you no like am, na be say you get problem. That make me talk am just now say, if you dey with your wife, me I just say, okay, your wife say maybe for 6 months you with her no meet, or a year, the woman dey with you for there is something wrong. Na so it still be for man. You go meet doctor, tell am say there is something wrong. No shame o, shame not dey o. No say this thing wey this person talk now, this thing wey this person Diamond, the thing wey you talk just now, na true. Some women dey e go dey with your husband for 6 months, they no even dey near body. When the man go even call am sef, e go say hey this one that one, e go dey for 6 months, even a year. Abeg sister, go meet doctor, something is wrong. No be normal thing. No be normal thing. No be normal thing. Maybe the man dey smoke cigar, or the woman dey smoke. You know, all these many things dey wey dey damage. When you go reach say, you go say, I no need that, I no need that. If you no need that, at least me I just say a week. You know, I don't know as I take talk am. A year you just stay for there. You with man your day starts. Una dey look una self, una be brothers and sisters. No, something dey o. Something is wrong. You understand? Make dem use wetin this you too funny. No, not be if not be Panadol, e no fit be like Panadol, Collins. You understand? If not be Panadol, e no fit be like Panadol. So if you know say you get that kind problem, say abeg go see doctor. So any woman wey eye too open, some women too like the thing. And na normal thing. Now you know say na so it still be for some men. Now so it still be for some men, because we now for here now we know they talk say who like am or not like am. You understand? Now so it still be for some men where you see say some men now maybe 3 times a week, 4 times a week. You understand? Now so it still no, some women even they calm. If na 2 times a week, maybe 1 times a week, but at all now that one ain't no good. When they live for Europe, at all na no go. No be small case. Na at all na no good. You understand? Because when they talk about say who do am, who no dey do am all the time, who dey do am, no, at all. Because you know if you just say you are a married woman once a year, and that once a year maybe na only 3 days that you want spend for where your husband dey. Abeg, there is something. No, you know if you be like person wey dey with your husband, you know if you be like that. Because ask doctor, na medicine. Na true I dey tell una, na medicine. Because sometimes when you dey vex, but you to your husband una don jam together, you can't relax, you can't calm. E dey calm person. Some people no know. That make some of our people, if you just see them, oh God, you don't know say there is something wrong there. You just be like say person you get headache. The headache you not put medicine. That headache go there, they go the worst. That's what it still be. You understand? That's what it still be. You know, see say so that time. You know, see say sometimes. That time where maybe me I just talk say okay. If you want ask your guy something now, me I talk about the woman. If you want ask your husband something, you get the way where you tell, ask am, hey, not worry, this and that, this one, he go before he go give you the something self, before he go give you wetin you ask am, no. Because now you understand, they relax, you go relax you the way because I don't know as I take talk am, so women, they don't even care. They don't care, they pursue money, they go. Then they pursue money. If you just see some women go say, the amount that they pay for the amount that they give for benefit for so place, because I want come that side. I don't know sha well I pray make God still change many things for them because e no good when you carry your pikin because you think you no dey think about even the child wey you born na only yourself with the money wey dem wan give you na you just dey think about. You no fit carry your pikin comot when you don marry o. I dey talk about those one wey don marry, I no dey talk about the one wey never marry o. Carry your pikin comot once a year na your husband take dey see am. That kind thing no good. Once a year is not e no good. The pikin dey with you throughout January to December just because of say you wan go do single mother you carry the pikin comot for there. When that pikin go come grow now, all the love wey suppose to share divide into two e come carry everything put for your side. For your father side now that love no come dey. E dey but e no dey like you understand, e no tight like that. E no tight like that because of you. Abeg if you be married woman if you be married woman, your husband wan comot, you no like the country wey e wan go, still talk to am say I no like that side. The one wey you still like, make e find job for that side whether they go give am. You know say some people dey don just transfer am go. No be say dem just tell you say dem transfer you go where maybe where your wife no like. But as you as a wife, please follow am go. Follow am go because of many things. No think about only you, still think about the man. Say okay, e dey go there for work, you still think about your children. No be only phone na dem go dey talk say daddy how are you, do you eat today, and the man come dey do na single father from that side. E be marry o but e wife as e wife no follow am now e come dey do single father and you come dey expect say the man no carry another person for that side. You understand? So my brothers and sisters, me I leave una for today, maybe next time, because I beg, I see they beg. If you get pikin, try to understand na because of your children, not be only you want, not think about your own. Because something dey where your children want discuss with your father, not be only you want wey wan discuss with your father, you know see father discuss with, because of say you no follow your father go where e for the work e no good o, e no good. So my brothers and sisters, may I leave una for now. See you for my next audio. I pray say may some people still understand say wetin I tell una. So if you say na lie, just go meet your daughter, tell am say see so. Thank you Diamond, thank you, God bless you. Tell am say see so wetin you dey pass through, how e be. They go even tell you so no na try. If you no wan do am for your husband na because of your children you wan do am, no be you still think am if you never born, that one na another different case. Because tomorrow when dem when you know say our children dem dey grow well now before you know don reach 10 years, before you know 15 years, you say na yesterday I born am. But that years wey don when you with your father not take dey stay together, you don make am I don't know as I take talk am, you don na only you na dey see, and the man go dey e go dey think am, the thing dey pain am, e go dey pain am, but e no fit do anything because of say they don give women power. So some women they'll come hold am well, you understand. And when they even dey holiday, no be say go say okay mona go meet una father o, e no go talk. Abeg some women abeg mona change the way una take dey do some women wey don marry no be the one wey never marry. Wey never marry, that one dey different. Because if he tell you say you marry me, you put money for my head that one dey different. But if you know say you don't say yes I do, follow your husband where he go, follow and go follow and go. Because no be say your husband want follow you, want carry you. You know say some women they follow their husband really. Where some day no they follow. Amodo Barcelona we high. You go say yeah good, I love this country. Now the country now you marry, I been na your husband you marry So okay my brothers and sisters, I greet everybody. Thank you for your time. God bless you all. We see for next audio. May we still discuss about something. So now so my brothers and sisters, one love one love. I greet una I greet una. I see every comment. Diamond, thank you. call is thank you. God bless you all. Now try. I see you now for my next audio. Then maybe we'll still discuss. Don't Mr. Ken, I greet you. I greet everybody. What we say? Now do well. I bet more help me still share. There's some women. Make them try. Make them go settle with their husband where they dey. Because make them not come dey talk say I marry. You marry. You know they do. We dey call am dovere. Dovere. Na Italian people then they say dovere di marito. Dovere di moglie. Not be only say yes I do. You still do your dovere. Okay now. One love. Na bye bye. Watch out. Na bye bye.